Hello, friends, and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now, before we start this review, let's talk about what do I have to offer. Because these products for which I'm doing the review, these products will come and go and will do nothing to you. So you'll probably not make money with any of that thing which you buy in $17, $20. Okay. So I'll do the review in a moment. Just give me a couple of minutes. So when you come down below my YouTube video, you have these links. Okay, so I'm going to share my personal things which makes me money, the real money I'm talking about, not the shiny objects which you keep buying every day in $17 $20. Okay, so below the video I have some links, useful links for you if you want to make real money. Okay, if you want to make that money in dreams that I will buy some machine in $20 and I will start making money while I sleep, then you can leave this video and you can keep dreaming. Okay, you don't have to be awake for dreaming, you can go back to sleep. But if you want to make real money online, because I have been making these videos for a number of years now, okay, you can go on my channel and you can see how many videos I have made. For example, if I come back and show you, this is not the first time I'm doing this. This is my channel, and come back here in my playlist. Okay, and you will see I have done these reviews in the past. So this one showing 1611 videos. Okay, so I did these reviews 4 years ago, then I left it, and then I changed my field to forex trading. As you can see here, these forex trading videos, so I have done it, and that's why I'm talking about what I am telling you right now. So come back here, and the first link is swing like a pro. So what does it mean? It's for people who wants to make money in trading. Okay, so when you click on the first link below, you will come to this page right here, and then you can see these short videos. Each video is like 2 3 minutes long. You click on them, you play, and you see how you can make money in swing trading or forex trading. Okay, there are plenty of videos and many more will be updated. This is the proof to show you my knowledge and how this works. Okay, so if you are interested in learning trading or making money with forex trading, even if you're a newbie, you have no idea what's going on here, if you plan to join this program, I'll give you full training, how to set up the account, how to take trades, stuff like that, even if you're a newbie. Okay, this program is mainly for people who are already into trading. They want my setups, my trades, buy and sell and book profits. But if you don't know anything about trading, you can still get this, and I will walk you through in the videos how to exactly join which broker, how to take trades, so you will know once you go through the trading. Okay, so this is method number one, which I personally also do, and you can see here these are my charts. Okay, so it's not something I'm just telling you randomly, blah blah blah. I am doing this personally as well. Okay, so the first link is trading. If you have the money to invest and you can take some risk means that be ready to lose money. That's part of the game. That doesn't mean I'm saying you will lose all the time, but that's part of the part of the gig. You have to be ready mentally. Okay, so if you want to make money in trading, you can try this program. Second link is make money on YouTube like me, so you can come and make YouTube videos. Okay, and especially this traffic Jarvis program will help you to make money using this YouTube monetization. Okay, so for example, if your channel gets monetized by YouTube, if you have like 500 to 1000 subscribers and 3 4,000 watch hours, which is not easy to get in the last 1 year, then you can get your channel monetized. Okay, so this traffic Jarvis, you can see here, you can make money using videos. Okay, so if you make money, people watch the ads on your videos, you can make money, and you can sell in your, you can sell something in your YouTube videos. As you can see, you can get sales. Okay, you can get sales here, you can get sales there. You can see everything, all the proofs are right there. So I have made this kind of money using YouTube only. If you want to make money using free YouTube traffic and you want to know how to start on YouTube totally for free, then go and get this program. I'm sharing these methods to you because I have implemented them, used them in my entire personal online life. Okay, so you can go for swing trading if you have the money. If you can go for YouTube, learn YouTube yourself, get it monetized within a month, and in the program you will learn everything how to do this. And the third link is about email marketing, get 100 email leads per day. So if you click here, you will come to this page. You can watch this video before joining, and this will give you 100 email leads per day, and also the system within the within this program. So you will have the autoresponder, and you will get 100 leads every day, and you can send emails to them once per day. and you can sell them anything you want. Okay, so you can sell any offer of your choice to these 100 leads, or you can sell this system itself to these 100 leads. Okay, so you have everything covered, and if I show you if that works or not, so you can see this is the system. 100 leads per day, I have been making money with this. Just check this out. Okay, check this out, check this out, check this out. It does work. Okay, whatever I'm showing you, I personally have made money with it. It's not some gimmick. And also, this will not make you rich. This 100 leads program will not make you rich, but if you want extra 200 $300 per month, it's a good thing. Okay, because if you see, my last sale came on 22nd of May 2026, and it's reoccurring. Okay, it's, you see here, last month, this month, before that, so it's reoccurring commissions, profits. Once you make a sale, you get commissions every month, and I have been getting this from number of years. Okay, so this is what I wanted to, this is what I wanted to share with you before I do the review. So if you like till now what you see, then subscribe, like, and share the video. Make sure you check out these programs, because these programs which I'm talking about are made by me only. Okay, so the top two programs are mine, the third one is not mine. So if you want to do trading and work with me, go and click the first link and watch these videos to understand what is going on here, what is my knowledge, if you should work with me or not. Go check this out. And then second link is about to make money on YouTube. If you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours within a month, go and get this traffic Jarvis and make money with the YouTube free traffic. Okay, and if you want to get 100 leads per day and make commissions like I have shown you right here, then go and click the third link and come and go and join this program and make recurring commissions. All right, that's it. So go and join this program. And now let's talk about this product for which I'm going to do the review. And one more thing, guys, if you want something for free, then you can get this free bonus lifetime email responders. So you can click on this link and you can join my email list. Make sure whether you buy anything or not, doesn't really matter. You go and join my email list, click on this link and enter, click on continue after that, and then enter your email and the name, and then you will be getting a free lifetime email autoresponder as well, okay, as a bonus. So go and check out these things and also join my free email list, the last link here. And then let's talk about and do the review now. All right, guys, let's do this AI list building mastery review. Right now we are on the sales page. So it's a very short sales page. As you can see from top to bottom, we are done. And it's starting with, I guess, only $8. So let's come back and I'll show you the OTOs and everything first. And then I will talk about what the product is. So it says AI list building mastery, and if I go into products, the front end starts with the $7.95. Okay, so this is what you see at the sales page right now here on the sales page, and then you will have some upgrades inside. So when you buy the upfront, then later on you will have the optional upgrades if you want more knowledge. Okay, so what this is all about, in short, this is the AI marketing training program, I guess, in which you will learn how to create lead magnets or how to attract people to subscribe into your email list. Okay, so it says the powerful AI system changing modern email marketing. Discover the smarter, faster way to create lead magnets, email funnel. So basically, if you are into email marketing, start email marketing. What does it means that you have to get email addresses of people of those prospects who would be interested in getting emails from you. Okay, so they opt in into your page and they get into your email list, and then you can email them offers of your choice. You can sell them if you want to, so you get the permission to email them, but you have to give them a reason that why should they join your email list. Okay, for example, they don't know you. For example, maybe you don't know me, so why would you join my email list? Okay, so you have to give them something in in return of their permission to give you the email address. Okay, so this is the training program which will teach you how to use AI to go and use things in your advantage, and then start with email marketing and get people up into your email list. And this is only a training program which will teach you how to use AI to create lead magnets and how to get it done. However, the hard work will still be required. Hard work means that if I don't come and make this YouTube video, then you don't know if if I exist in this world or not. So you still have to bring traffic to your landing pages, to your offers. Okay, no matter how cool, how good looking your opt-in page is, But if you can't bring people to your opt-in page, then they don't know if they have to opt in or not. Okay, so traffic is the backbone of any online business. If people are not visiting your online store or your landing page or your sales page, you don't get sales. Okay, so if I don't make this video, you don't watch it, and you don't know if I'm dead or alive. Okay, anyway, so what we have here, so for example, if you want something from me, then you can go and get this bonus, which we have discussed in the beginning already. You can get this free bonus lifetime email responder if you buy this from me. You can click on this link and just go and join my email list, and you will get the bonus whether you buy this from me or not. Okay, so if you want to buy AI list building mastery, you will find or may not find, my links are not approved yet, but below this YouTube video you may find the link saying grab AI mastery copy. Here, click on that link, then come to the sales page and buy this. And you can also go and join the programs which we discussed in the beginning, all these links, because if you want to talk about email marketing, in the beginning I have given you the one option in which you can get 100 email leads per day, and you can start emailing them whatever you want to sell them from day one. Okay, so in that you will get the system, the inbuilt autoresponder. For example, come back here, this is the one I'm talking about. Get 100 email leads per day. You click on this, you go and join the system. They give you 100 leads per day. On top of that, you already have the inbuilt sending machine, so that you don't have to download the list or upload it somewhere. You can just log in and get those leads, which will be there in your account automatically, and then start sending them one email per day. That is allowed. Okay, and then your list grows, 100 on day one, 200 on day two, and by the 10th day you will have 1,000 leads. Okay, so if you want to start with email marketing, then just go and get this. If you want to start with YouTube, go and get this. If you want to start with trading, go and get this. Okay, and if you want to learn how to use AI with in list building or creating some lead magnet stuff like that, then go and get this AI list building mastery. If you find the link below my video, and thank you for watching, and go and get this bonus as well. Till then, I'll see you in the next videos. Take care.